Hi there, John again. It's the famous tool of the week, Saturday time. Today, we've all been there, wire. Trying to strip the wire, got to do that, make your connections. Now, everybody's been there with the snips, and I've been snipping away at it, snipping it here, tearing it apart. Get yourself a little tool. This is my tool. Opens up, put the wire in, close it up, twist the wire, release the wire, done. Simple as that. It also doubles up if you use the 2.5 side. This is 2.5 wire, so and we can just tear the ends off. And that just gives you the bare connections like this. And you're good to go. Now, in the UK you probably use connectors, and this is like old school connectors. They're okay to a point. In France we use wagos. You just insert your cable, clip it in, it's done. That's it, it's secure. They come in 3 bays or 4 bays or 2 bays, like that's a 2 bay. And they come 3 or 4. Or you can just loop one into another one if you're going to continue. So all your wires just goes clipping in, clip the next one in, the next one in, it's done. You don't need all these bits, but the bit is, this is your tool. They're very cheap, it's €3 or something for one of these. It's a multi-tool.
Can you buy these in the UK?
I think you can get them in the UK now. And it's just strips your wire so clean. I mean, that's before you'd be snipping away here, then you've got pliers, then you're trying to tear the wire all down. You don't need it. Look, it's perfect. It does a perfect job stripping cable. Thank you.